How to fix WhatsApp call problem easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp calls problem. So if you have any problem with the calls in WhatsApp, this video is gonna help you a lot. So first thing you wanna do is very simple and easy. Just open the settings on your phone like this. Now on this page you will find many options. Click on the apps option. Now right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do here is very simple. Just scroll until you find WhatsApp, click on it. Now click on the force stop option as you can see right here, and then click on the data usage. Make sure that all those options are enabled and then disable them and enable them again. Now click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear cache, and that's it. Now you have to restart your phone and the problem must be solved. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to leave a like, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the very end.